Hello friends and welcome to Coin Mühendisi Global. The fifth video of our Introduction to Technical Analysis series is volume indicators and how to use them. Before we start our video, I would like to say that you can have all the crypto information you need for free from our YouTube channel. So if you haven't yet, click on the subscribe button and keep the notifications on for our upcoming videos. Volume is an indicator that shows the amount of volume for a particular price range, which is based on closing prices. Combining volume and closing prices, this indicator can be used to identify high volume price ranges to mark support and resistance. There are many types of volume indicators, but I will go with the basic one, which is exactly what we need. You can find the volume indicator on the indicators folder by typing it in the search box, and you can add it to your favorite indicators clicking on the star button. Now let's zoom in a little bit. So how do we read the volume indicator? A high positive multiplier with high volume indicates strong buying pressure, which pushes the indicator higher. On the other hand, a low negative number with volume indicates strong selling pressure, which pushes the indicator lower. You can use this volume indicator to identify the changes in the price direction. For example, if I see a high dump on the price, I can tell that the market trend might change. That is it for today. I hope you have enjoyed our content. If you did, please drop a like under the video, and if you would like to see more of our content, please click on the subscribe button. Thank you for watching and take care until next time.